Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to delete Gamepass in Please Donate. So firstly, go to your browser, then type Roblox in the search panel, then left click on it. After that, go to the Roblox website. Further, go to the Create section. Now go to the Creations tab. Now choose the experience you have your Gamepass on. And the Monetization tab, click on Passes. Now click on the pass that you want to remove from your Please Donate stall. Then go to the Sales menu and toggle Item for Sale to Off. Then Save Changes. And after that, if you return to the previous location, you will see that it has gone off sale and it has been also removed from your Please Donate stall. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.